Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos.
Today, I'm unboxing the G340 Mini Nail Dust Collector by AMDMG. I'm so excited to show you what's inside and give you a first look at this sleek machine. Let's get started. Here's the box. It's compact and well designed. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have the G340 Mini Nail Dust Collector itself. Look at how sleek and modern it is. It's lightweight and feels really sturdy. And check this out. It comes with some extra gifts. There's a fast charging plug and a few other accessories. These are such nice additions, especially if you're using this for travel or at home. Now, let's take a 360-degree look at the machine. It's small, portable, and has a really clean design. The build quality feels premium, and it's perfect for fitting on your nail art table or even in your travel bag. I love how compact and easy to carry it is. That's it for the unboxing and first look. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll dive into the features and functionality of this amazing nail dust collector. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. See you next time.